Al-Khair Foundation is supporting Majlis Dawatul in Leicester to develop their new site and increase the capacity in providing their facilities and services for the local community. Majlis Dawatul now requires your support to reach their target of £1 million so that it may complete its new Majlis construction within the time, so as to provide enhanced services and state-of-the-art facilities to the people of Leicester.
It can brighten up your day.
Al-Khair Foundation is asking you to help in this beneficial project and aid in its construction. Not only will you be helping the local people of Leicester, but you will also be fulfilling your Islamic duty in helping our fellow brothers and sisters strive with their Islamic education and knowledge. Take this opportunity to gain eternal sadaqah jariyah for you and your loved ones. To make a contribution, call our donation hotline on 03000 999 786 or donate online at alkhair.org. Jazakumullah khair.